I'm tired. Today, gonna be sleepy stream. I mean, every fucking stream is a sleepy stream, but today's... Don't mind the thing being small. It's because I have the window minimized. See? Immediately went crunchy for some reason. Anyway. I didn't mean to press E. Hi Ash. And yes, Monkey, you do come in at the wrong times. Thank you for the pet. My work was good this week. My work is easy, so I don't need to think. Where am I going? Wee. I lowered the quality. I don't know if that's gonna help the audio not be crunchy. Probably not, considering my luck in most things. Oh. Hello? Hello? Who are you? Who the fuck are you? Get away from me. Fuck. Gun. Why is he so big? Oh, he blew up. Stomp. Wait, what? I don't care for audio. Okay. I had a really confusing and scary as nightmare. I can't even explain it in words. Am I in it? Audio crunch is kind of funny with a horror game though. You're right, you're right, you're right. You're already pretty far in this game. I'm playing on story mode. I'm playing on story mode. So yeah. Can you open? Okay. The fuck? Okay, it's goopy. Ooh, thank God I need to up. Oh. The nearby video log is filled with death, apparently. I'm not using the plasma cutter right now. I want more of this, please. I want more damage. Yippee! Yippee! It took me like a day or two to get to that point. I have a need for speed and no desire to linger on areas that scare me. Hello. I can't see shit.
God's sakes, Ben, listen to yourself. The Ishimura's in crisis, you've cut us off. By Maritime Law Article 5469, I, Dr. Terrence
69.
declare Captain Benjamin Matthias unfit for duty.
It's a coup. Where's my phone? I ordered a McDonald's and it's on its way, by the way. So if I randomly run away, my food. Oh, it's heading my way. Let's fucking go. Did he get I was looking at my phone. Did he get stabbed in the face?
We have to take you in. Can't. If the others from the church get a hold of me. Stop.
Oh, he's a runner. He's a track star. Oh. Stomp. See, Shiny, you missed the majority of the terror. Oh. Where am I? I turned around and got confused. That's where I am at. Mentally. I don't want to go in the elevator. I've expressed distaste for this in the past. And yet it keeps making me do this. And now there's 2 doors. You say it like I wouldn't have passed out like 30 to 1 hour into the stream anyway. I was screamy. I was very screamy. Hello? I wish I could read what things said. They are coming. I think that says they are coming. Oh, save. I don't need to save. I'm fine. What is that? Anyway, come and no one clipped it. Wow, y'all, fake fan. The VOD is up still. Though I haven't uploaded the VOD yet. I meant to, but I'm lazy. Like, it's kind of it. I'm just fucking lazy. Oh, I've exited the vacuum. Well, I'm about to go back in there, so I'm being sassy to everyone I want to be beaten up. This way. Whee! Love y'all. Hello. Can I? Let me in. What is this? A weapon. I don't have room in my shit for this, man. I don't. I just straight up do not have. Who? You got fucked up, dude. Wait, is that the guy who got stabbed in the face, or am I tripping? I don't even know if he got stabbed in the face. I'm gonna stop. He got stabbed in the face, oh. And now he's all goopy or whatever. He's chilling. I like his shoes. Anyway. Whee! Oh, delightful. Oh, hello. Fucking Christ. I don't like the ragdoll. It scares me. This is dangerous. There's a lot of electricity. Why are they? Oh, he's not got a leg. Aww. Neither does he. Why have they? Why did they take off those legs specifically? Aww. Where am I going? Whee! Oh, it's a baby. Another one. Shiny, there's too many babies in this. Ah! Fuck off! See what I mean? There's too many fucking babies. Oopsie.
Just got an update. Power diverted from mining administration network.
Those are your cousins? The babies?
Still need more power. Couple more systems should
What
do
the
it.
fuck? Ooh. Stop it. Nasty. Nasty little beast. Stop it. It just made a baby. And I ran out of fucking ammo. Here. We're wimlings! Your babies! Let me in. I just slapped the shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, hey. No, I don't need that. I don't need money. Did you miss me? Of course I miss you. Of course. Where am I going? I'm itchy. I didn't even need to go in here. I just went in here because it's locked. Do I have to go this way? X. Yes. E. You're gay. I'm hungry. Where's my McDonald's? Running. I am in the vacuum of space. Come in. Did you order some? I ordered McDonald's. It's on its way. I'm hungry. Well, shit. I meant fuck you. I meant to fucking go here. Yeah. Oh yeah. He's ugly. I put the old suit on, and he's just so shiny now. I don't like the screaming. didn't I'm not a fan of the screaming. What's this? Money. Scary. Scary. Break room. Oh, it's dark in here. Love that. Why is there a satanic circle on the floor? That's not good. Who is performing rituals?
Recording? Huh. Must be the marker they dug up.
Oh.
So it is the same. That marker. That's the symbol
Oh.
of the Church of Unitology.
Didn't take you for a believer,
It's
right?
me when I get extra shifts out of nowhere.
But if they found this on some alien planet, what does that mean?
That Unitology's onto something?
Unitology's full of shit. Forget it.
I love when people find mysterious. I'm not reading the text log. I'm not reading that. I'm not reading that. But yeah, I love it when like sci-fi media like go to alien planets and they find some fucked up thing just stuck in the ground and they're like, that's God. Anyway, like come on, guys, come on. Oh, he got fucked up. Huh. Do I have clearance to open that door? Humans, that's God, yeah. Oh, don't. Locked. Like, hey, there's a weird fucked up thing that's giant and stuck in the ground and, making... What the fuck is this shit? Is this a server room? I'm God, Smirk. Yeah, I'm God and I'm gonna turn you into little beasts. You got electrocuted, fucking idiot. Cut to me getting electrocuted in 5 seconds. Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I heard you screaming, by the way, little beast. Sweet, I'm going the way I'm supposed to. Fuck off, baby. Fuck off. Let me... Stop jumping on the walls. I ran out of fucking ammo again. I don't have any ammo. Oh, hello. Uh-oh. He's fine. I just keep getting money and He scared me. Bitch, get away from me. Bitch, no. Stop it. Cease. I don't have any ammo. Burn. Burn. Stop. He blew up. Is there, please? Hello. Fuck off, dude. Burn. Little bit arson. Lad, please. I do not have anything. What the fuck is going on over here? Why are they so wiggly? Anyway, hi. Can you just die? Can you just die? I swear to- I don't want to have to use my fucking stupid little stasis thingy. My food is nearly here. How do I fucking grab something? Can I throw the baby at him? I can. Ow! Fuck off, dude. Can I... Is there anything here I can just grab? No? God, is he not gonna die by fire? I'm gonna just have to slap the shit out of him. You versus real life responsibilities. Please! Please, my McDonald's is here. Can you die? Can you die? My McDonald's is here. I need to open the door. I'm gonna get my McDonald's. I haven't actually heard him knock yet. I just got the notification that he's there. I'm gonna put... Yesterday I played Truth or Dare with someone and the question was if your partner cheated on you with someone you're really close with and you found him cheated, would you chop their balls off? Want to know my answer? Is it yes? My food. Be right back. bitch. I have my McDonald's. Yeah, boy. Why is it wet? Why is it wet? The fuck? I'm upset. The bag that had my nuggets in it was wet, and the bottom of the box was also wet. Anyway. How do I feel again? Oh. Can you fucking leave me alone? Okay, I'm just gonna move on. 'Cause I don't have... Oh wait, there might be ammo in here. There is not. Fuck off, dude. How do I have stasis or whatever? Hi. Bye. I don't have anything to kill you with, so... I have a pet dog now.
That's two. One more system and we'll have power for the ADS.
Make a crap on... Wait, what? I torture them. I wouldn't chop their balls off. Crap ton of paper cuts that bleed. And then make him strap to a chair and only cut the tip off and yank out his nails. Ashton, you're kind of fucked up. Wait. Where am I going? I literally... I don't know, if it were me and someone cheated on me, I'd just break up with them.
Isaac, I cracked the Ishimura's MedSci reports. They're a fucking horror show. These things mold any dead tissue into a new form. One kind infects corpses, and the rest...
Make more corpses to infect.
That organic shit on the walls. That's dead tissue, too. The crew thought it was a... habitat changer. Isaac, I'm gonna run some diagnostics. I think that's death spreading.
Yeah, no shit, it's spreading, bitch. The fuck? I need a sip of my Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. Anyway. Shiny, I hope you know that you stopped talking for like 2 minutes and I immediately assume you're sleeping. Doesn't matter what you're actually doing. I'm just immediately like, Shiny's already asleep. It's a long elevator ride. Huh? No. There better not be something here for me to kill because I don't have the means to kill it with. I'm gonna kill myself. Fuck off! I don't, oh wait, I still have some fucking, oh wait. Burn. Ow. Will burn kill? Probably. Burn kill most things. Oh, no, okay. Oh. Eh. Ooh. Oh, they're crispy now. I cooked them. My inventory's full. What is this? Oh. I don't need that. I don't need money. No, fuck off. I didn't mean to pick it up again. Sorry, I went full Scottish there with I didn't even mean to. Gimme. There we go. Do I need to talk to... No, I don't. I thought I needed to talk to him again. Ooh, there's another box down there. Wait. Fuck, there's so many things I need to pick up. Get out of here. Okay. Where am I going? Here? Oh. Ah, okay. Too many elevators. This is my review. Damn, the max load of this fucking lift is 2,600 kilograms. That's a lot of shit. What's this? Audio log. Yes.
Elizabeth, it's Jacob.
The gay boy.
Bridge looking for you, but it is completely fucked. I'm not sticking around in case whatever did it comes back, and neither should you. It looks like the admin staff went to the mining deck to meet up with the other survivors. I'll head there too. If you aren't with them, I'll find a way to contact you. I promise.
Make us whole again.
It's being generous with ammo. That's that's hinting at what's to come. And fucking med packs. Oh, hello there, sir. Oh, fuck, I forgot about your babies! Fuck off, dude. Shit. Oh, bugger off. What the fuck did I just... I opened the same one. Ew. I do like the saw thingy. Where are you?
We got it. The ADS
I'm
cannons are
so
back online.
sorry.
Wait, auto targeting offline. Calibration data not found. Fuck. No auto targeting. The cannons are useless.
What about manual targeting?
You want to go out there with all that shit raining down and target the ADS cannons manually?
If I give the cannons enough targeting data, it'll recalibrate the system. You got a better idea?
Christ. I'll open exterior access. I hope you know what you're doing.
I don't. Wee. Also, the fries from my local McDonald's are dog shit, so I've got an apple and grape snack pack instead of the fries.
What's the plan?
I'll sync a few of the ADS cannons to one of my tools. I target an asteroid, and cannons take it out, and I recalibrate the system.
We're out of options. Do it.
Security request retrieved.
Someone stop him!
This is Second Officer Sheik. I need security here right now. No one's coming. White, for Christ's sake, step away from the controls. We need our first officer. Elias is dead. The captain's dead. Vincent's security team is dead. Who's left?
Me, bitch.
Away from the airlock. That's an order. Who's left, Chief? A crew full of Uni fanatics? Eckhart screwed us good, didn't he? If a CEC director could go that bad, maybe the whole company's rotten to the core. Just like Aegis 7. You think CEC won't send a rescue team for their precious planet cracker? Think twice. We just need to hold on. Yes. You probably should. Goddamn fool! Steal it! Do the airlock now!
TBH, if this was me in that situation, I would also put myself through the airlock.
Entering zero gravity.
Sync. Okay. Hello.
Syncing targeting
Oh.
system.
Oh. Shit. Oops. Oops. Ah. Destroy asteroids to calibrate. Okay. Dude, I do not have the brain capacity for this shit.
Warning. Hull integrity compromised.
I'm gonna run out of oxygen. Whoa. I'm not good at this.
Calibration complete. Cannon auto-targeting online.
I'm running out of oxygen, dude. Oh, shit. Fuck. I got it, dude. Wait, so what am I doing? The sound of me enjoying a weenie. You don't get fucked. You Okay.
Targeting system.
Okay, I'm kinda dumb, but it's fine. Yeah? We make do. I'm stupid, but by God am I free.
Warning. Hull integrity
The whole integrity is not doing good, lads, but that is mostly because I'm
complete.
an absolute fucking donkey.
Targeting online.
Whee! That's why I said weenie, not I don't get men wheeze.
Syncing targeting
You're not funny. You're never gonna be funny. Oops. Oh, fuck me, dude. Why are there so many fucking asteroids? Ow, dude. Hey! Hey, dickhead.
data migration complete.
Am I shooting myself with the cannon?
Auto-targeting system.
I'm chill. Ow! Oh, it's a baby that's hurting me.
We're online shipwide. Thank God.
Okay, where's the other one? Oh, hello.
Get yourself inside.
Did it.
I think I figured out our next
Wee. You're so mean to me. Yeah, I have to be, like, legally. If I'm too nice to you, you'll get too attached. Because one day, I could leave and never come back. God keep you on your toes.
down there?
See what you make of this.
This is Senior
My wife!
Nicole Brennan. Medical is a sanctuary. All survivors, please join us.
My wife.
I'm going back to medical.
Makes sense.
I'll head to the crew deck and look for survivors from the bridge. I'll be in touch.
The crew deck. Wonder if he knows something we don't.
Okay. Hey! What the fuck are those? Hey! Bitch! The fuck are you? Is that a hand? Science provides bounty. A fidget. Okay. Oh, thank God, a store. There is a creature. Fuck off, you stupid baby. I'm getting changed. Now I have more inventory space. Another one. Oogie. I need... all of the ammo ever. Amazing. Stomp.
Clearance confirmed.
Oh, ew. Oh, fuck. Why are there so many fucking stupid babies? Get out of here. God. Bruh, I can't see shit. Where is it? I hear it. Where is it? I don't know where it is, so I'm just gonna leave. Free yourself. What the fuck does that say? Old man? Altman is with you? I told ya.
Arriving at medical.
Head for the chemical lab.
What? You said the chemical lab? I can barely hear you.
Stomp. Wee! It's time to find out that my wife is dead, I'm assuming. Oh shit, they've got a receptionist.
Daniels, the door to medical is locked behind me. Hello? Mr. Coleman, I'm with you. How about you unlock these doors and I'll find her myself?
I got something to sell. Hee hee. Shiny! Wake up. Hello.
Kindly avoid disturbing my other patients.
What is this?
Research, of course. I'm so close to finding that missing factor. A unitologist
Oh,
would
he's
understand.
dead. No, fuck me, dude. What the fuck is this? Bugger off, you weird fucking. It's fucking dark. Hmm? Oh wait, that's not glowing. I thought it was. This is. Does that say fucking infidels? Fucking infidels. They sure do love religion. Ooh. Is something gonna jump scare me at the Wimdy again?
Patient log retrieved.
There. I have to record these days. The old
I'm an
memory.
infidel for real, for real.
The new treatment I'm developing should be just the ticket. The trial is very promising. Trial? You'll be back at your post in a jiffy with CEC none the wiser. Unless you don't trust me.
No, of course I trust you. Let's, give it a shot.
We love medical malpractice.
Volunteer 9 is a young male testing my new tissue regeneration formula. I expect death within the hour, but the changes to the vascular system are very promising. One moment for the cleanup. For the last time, get a trauma team in here. Yes, I called 3 times. My patient is crashing. Get off your smoke break and help me.
He's a liar. Where did he get his medical license from? Hang. I save. Save out of fear. Shiny! To 0G therapy. Shit, 0 gravity therapy? Let's fucking go.
Clearance confirmed.
Baby. Dude, there's so much loot in here. Shiny, I'm here. Yes. Hi, Shiny. I needed your attention because I love attention. Penis. That guy has tiny little wang. Jesus. Jesus. Weenie. There's a weenie. Aww. It's locked. Why is the music so dramatic? Anyway, I really need to find my wife. Is this where I'm supposed to be going? Yes. I keep getting myself turned around. Where's my wife? God, where's my wife? Let me in. Oh. And oop. Oh shit, it's the other way around. They're sick, dude. My wife!
All survivors, please join us.
Who the fuck is that? My wife. She's not real.
Shipwide transmission override. Isaac Clarke.
Just a trick.
Isaac,
My wife?
make us whole again.
Dude, that's kind of rude.
Isaac,
Oh, thanks for the pet lost.
All right. Dr. Brennan's nearest and dearest. We were colleagues, you know. Dr. Chalice. Mercer. Are you the reason the marker won't begin? That's it. Convergence is installed. She's meddling. How is the question? But even if I was to ask, I suspect you're not the talkative type. And I haven't fully explored the cause of death as that missing factor. Dismemberment. Now I think you're on the right track there. Try and relax, Mr. Clark. Convergence is so close. Maybe your death will tip the balance.
He's got titties. He's got little itty bitty titties. Hello. You're ugly. You're ugly. Ugly and dead.
This'll work. Isaac, you there?
Jen, open the chemical lab.
What?
Just do it.
On it. It's open. Go.
Oh shit, it regrows. Okay. Escape the creature.
Isaac, Nicole's broadcast.
It was a trick by a fucking unitologist. Dr. Mercer. He's locked down medical to experiment on the crew.
Oh, God. Every way out is locked down through one of the offices. Must be Mercer's. I can brute force the internal doors, but you'll have to reach his office and lift the lockdown manually.
Escape to the creature.
Unwise, Mr. Clark. My hunter may regenerate, but he takes an attack like that personally.
Clearance confirmed.
Fucking shit. Oh shit. Dude. Why is that one not dying? Okay, anyway. Ah shit, I went the wrong way. Ooh, a gun. What does this new gun do? Ooh, wide beam cutter. Not right now, though. I'm so gassy. Hello? Oh. Hello. Shit. Oh. Nah, I'm not gonna save. I'm too lazy. Ooh. Delicious.
Warning. Local door protocols corrupted. Rebooting system. Please stand by.
Oh shit, hi.
Hydroponics. We're all dying. Air's poison. But there's still time. Her enzyme will work if... She just needs liquid nitrogen. Save us!
He was right. Air quality is dropping ship-wide. Something's poisoning the oxygen in hydroponics. If we lose our air supply...
He said we could fix it. He came looking for liquid nitrogen, and there has to be some in the cryogenics lab.
Okay. Not like we have a better option. I'll clear you a path to cryo.
Thanks, baby girl.
Door protocols rebooted. Thank you for your patience.
I don't really want to open the door because I know the second I open it, there's just gonna be like a beast.
Toxic hazard detected.
Oh, ew. Fuck off, dickhead. Oh, it's in there. Sick.
Toxic hazard cleared.
Okay, it's clearing. Mercer pumped that gas in from hydroponics. If the air's already that bad,
I'm gonna need a faster way to cryogenics.
I'll open the other door from the chemical lab. It'll take you straight there.
Ah. Big stretch. And a hydrate. Are you also hydrating, Shiny? Hmm? You better, baby. Yes, ma'am. Good. I'd be very disappointed in you if you aren't. Oh, hello. Ugh, I fucking hate these stupid little babies. Fuck off, I also hate you. Okay, I did want to go into that room over there. So I'm gonna do it now.
Patient log retrieved.
I hear the tests on patient Harris were inconclusive. Given the reports from the colony, he's lucky to have his faculties at all.
Well, a divine experience would leave an impression on anyone's mind.
Perhaps. But I saw nothing divine in all that blood. The suicides.
This is a revelation, Terrence. We just need more insight to translate it.
You think this insight can be found in Mr. Harris's psyche?
I'm positive. And with Captain Matthias barring any visits to Aegis 7, this fellow may be our best chance.
Harris is Dr. Brennan's patient. And your methods... Look, Mercer, things are complicated enough already. I can't sign off on this.
You'll do what's best, of course, but how long can we afford to wait?
I can wait forever, baby girl. God damn, the way you said baby girl. They're in the walls, they're in the walls. This doesn't seem safe. Oops, I meant to stomp, not slap. Oh, he's pregnant. I'm gonna pick this up and everything's gonna go wrong.
Seeing my hunter unleashed is almost worth losing my other patients.
Oh, what's up, dickhead?
You and Dr. Brennan have delayed me enough.
If you've heard Nicole,
I have never shown anything but courtesy to Dr. Brennan. Can you say the same thing?
I can say I'm not a fucking murderer.
Speaking of courtesy,
Ow. Uh-oh.
fixing the Ishimura's engines. Our homecoming will be truly divine. And I doubt even you can stop a convergence event fueled by the
A
entire
prostate exam is done by a healthcare provider to feel for problems with the rectum.
humanity will be made whole, Mr. Clark. With
The princess is the best of tuber.
I'd say
I'm not, but thank you, Shiny. Oh, hello. Oh, fuck. Ara, Ara. Where are you? I'm so sorry. Oh. Alright, I need you to come in here, baby girl. Shit. You bugger off. Yeah. I need you to come in here, baby girl. It can be taken so out of context. Yeah. As it should be, right? Right. I'm gonna melt the shit out of you. And then I'm gonna do the thing.
Cryogenic freeze complete. Transferring specimen to storage.
Oh, hey, baby girl.
Bastard locked me out again. Isaac, you okay?
I stopped that hunter. When Mercer's gone. He wants to take these things to Earth, Kendra. You have to seal the captain's nest and warn Hammond.
Okay, I can seal the nest, but I haven't been able to reach Hammond since he went to the crew deck. Isaac, our air quality is falling fast. If you've got liquid nitrogen, we gotta fix hydroponics.
On it. Keep trying to reach Hammond. Mercer, I don't think he's done yet.
Let me in.
Got something, Isaac?
Let's call it a tissue sample. For Mercer's pet hunter.
Careful. Who knows what mad science went into that thing?
Maybe I can find
My
out.
dick went into that thing. Ayo.
Fast. There has to be a DNA scanner close by.
Isaac, the hydroponics tram station is sealed off. You'll need another way there. Take the tram back towards the hangar, then head to the repair station. Remember where you took that broken tram car off the tracks? There's an access door in there that'll take you to hydroponics.
See, the thing is, I know where it is. I just can't remember how to get there. This tissue sample. Let's go scan the thingy. Is it right over here? Where is it? Oop. And I oop. I can turn the lights back on. Or the elevators or whatever the fuck. This man just stomps everywhere he fucking goes. He does not know how to walk softly. He has a fucking mission and he's gonna be loud as fuck about it. I'm lazy. Oh shit, I forgot that this door was hungry. Why is this scanny thing like 5,000 years away? Ew. Oh my god, I thought I'd gotten. I'm fucking so mad. There it is.
Beginning DNA analysis. Match found for Brand Harris, mining contractor, Aegis 7. Registered physician, Dr. Chalice Mercer. Warning. Severe DNA abnormalities found. Rig tracking is available to trace possible contagion. Authorize.
Harris, what did Mercer do to you? Authorize.
Syncing logs and points of interest to Rig Locator. Thank you for your commitment to public health.
You're so fucking welcome. This. Let's find out what happened to the man who got turned into the unkillable beast. You think he's like was still sentient in there? You know what I mean? Like, are all the whatever the fuck, necromorphs? Is that what they're called? Are they all sentient? Like, do they still remember that they're people, but they have no control over themselves? You know what I mean? Are they like locked up in the fucked up little brain? Whee! Probably like explains it somewhere. Am I gonna find that lore though? No. Because I don't read anything. Hurry up. Back at it again, Krispy Kreme. Where is he? Bitch. Whee. Gun violence. Get away from me. I need to buy ammo. I really need to buy ammo.
Surgical log, Dr. Chalice Mercer, tissue regeneration experiment 5. The children of the marker, kind necromorphs, have provided all the material I could ask for. And the infector variant has provided a key insight. Implanting the material directly into the brain renders optimal results. Of course, that requires puncturing the frontal bone just above the glabella.
Please, no.
Don't worry. It's been sterilized.
Damn. I need to pee really bad. God, I hate graphic depictions of lobotomies. Well, it's gonna suck dick and balls, bro.
I was recording. Here, look up for me. Just a sliver of bone between us and Marcus. Relax. It won't be like Aegis 7 and that unpleasantness. Was it worse when I did that?
This errand you want me to do in ore storage. The miners won't like it.
They're probably as narrow-minded as the miners in the colony is. Tormenting someone for being a little different. Don't deserve a good scare.
Yeah, they do. I'm ready.
He's getting like a fucking nail gun for the lobotomy?
trying to show me. They're hungry. They're coming. They'll make us whole. Doctor, I see it now. The marker speaks. We can answer. Tell me how.
That wasn't that bad.
Related rig activity.
Cool. Okay, need to. Oh, great. I'm out of ammo. Oh, fuck, I don't have inventory space. Shit. I don't want to use a ripper. I was gonna say ripple. Put that away. Okay, I didn't mean to sell that one, but that's fine. Because I can equip the flamethrower and the line gun, and I have some ammo for that, and I have plenty of ammo for my other shit. Okay. I have spent all of my money on goods and services. Look at that, I've got fucking ammo for days now. Cool.
Flight deck tram control. Now arriving at flight deck tram control.
Bathroom! I thought that was an enemy and I got scared. There was an enemy. Just not where I was expecting it to be. I need to pee. I need to go piss, girl. I play a minute ad while I go piss girl. Be right back. I'm back. Good night, Shiny. Good night, Shiny. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep, Shiny. The screen is gone. Back to video game. Where? Oh, hi. Do they only die with the flamethrower? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. We love big empty corridors.
Your hydroponics, check your helmet filters. That air's not safe to breathe.
Yeah, I smelled it. The whole deck's rotting.
I'm reading a huge mass in food storage. Too big to be anything they grew. It looks like the source of the poison gas. That patient in medical, he said something about creating an enzyme, right? Maybe the scientist left the workstation open. Hydroponics log, Dr. Elizabeth Cross. Now that sprinklers are fixed, we're working close to maximum capacity. All flora is thriving and food yield has created a surplus. I had the surplus packed up so we could send it to the colony. The Captain Matthias is strictly enforcing his no-fly order. It's ridiculous. I'm lodging a complaint. Everyone knows Aegis 7 needs help. What harm could some fresh fruit do?
Oops. Oh shit, I can stop it open.
Lifting station lockdown.
Bathroom. God, there's babies in the toilet. Ew, get away! I'm surprised it took them this long to do a toilet jump scare. Usually, you would think it would be a bit sooner. What does that say? I don't want to die. Me too, bitch. Where am I going? Whee. Do not touch. Grass! What? Why is the water screaming? Anyway. Don't like this.
Report in loop.
That scared me.
This is Dr. Elizabeth Cross.
Hello.
To all survivors, turn back. It's all gone. Everything we grew. My team. All dead. That monster. Please, leave. Get somewhere safe. If I can find a way to kill it somehow. Jacob, if you're hearing this, you know I have to try.
Okay.
Warning. Liquid nitrogen supply depleted. Liquid nitrogen replenished. Beginning enzyme synthesis. Enzyme synthesis complete. Caution. Do not ingest.
But what if I wanna?
Any luck?
Yeah, I finished the enzyme. It's been modified to digest something big.
They must have been trying to kill whatever's in food storage. Let's hope it works.
Jackie.
No. Go back. There's no way into food storage. Even if there was, the Leviathan would devour you.
You're Elizabeth Cross, right? This Leviathan, is that what's poisoning the air?
The air. My team, it's destroyed everything. I designed a special enzyme to kill it. I just needed liquid nitrogen to complete the synthesis. The people I sent to medical never came back.
I've got some of that enzyme here.
Oh my god. How? Listen, we need to inject it into the Leviathan. You can't get into food storage, but there's another way. It's risky.
Riskier than running out of air?
My team has been altered. They're all connected to the Leviathan, breathing out its toxins. That connection goes both ways.
Okay. So if I get to your team and inject them...
The enzyme will be carried right into the Leviathan's heart. Bind the Weezers.
Weezer?
End their suffering. And when the Leviathan
Like
is
the
weakened,
band?
we bent the bastard into space.
You got it, boss. Oh shit, there's like 7 Weezers. 7 whole Weezers. Oh. Hello. Where's Monkey when you need him?
Security required.
Hello, security. This is Dr. Cross in hydroponics.
Oh,
Something
straight back. Hello.
I have people injured or detected. Medics in crowd control right away. Oh my god. What the hell is it? Everyone out of food storage. It's alive. How can it be alive?
Why are there so many of them? So stinky. Oh, yeah. Look at the big ass lungs. Oh, they're off, dude.
Liz Cross again. I never asked my name.
I saw Clark, systems engineer.
Engineer. Have you seen Jacob Temple?
I haven't. But I'm looking for someone too. Dr. Nicole Brennan.
Dr. Brennan. Doesn't she help people leave unitology?
Yeah, like my mother. That's how we met.
I hope she's okay. The unitologists here didn't like anyone questioning them. And since the captain died, they've all snapped.
Clearance confirmed.
No babies? God, I'm already running out of fucking ammo again. Okay. Ooh, sick. Hey, Bullet. How are you, Bullet? Oh, it's a new bitch. Got to go gun rage with your cousin. Have fun! I was playing Dead Space earlier this morning. Nice.
Entering zero gravity.
It's chilly. Oh, he dead. Where am I going? Oopsie. Fuck off, stupid baby. Spikes. Love that. Ah. This is where the stinky lives. In... Oh, hey, Wheezy.
Entering zero gravity.
Bugger off, dude. Not in the fucking mood, am I?
Exiting zero gravity.
Jungle ambiance. Where is it?
Isaac, where are you? Help me.
Love you, wife. I'm busy.
Isaac, I looked up Cross's notes on the... Oh, God. Oh, my God.
Kendra?
It was him. 2 doors behind you. Garrett. Wait, he's gone. He waved at me, and... sorry, Isaac. Keep going. Just a glitch on the cameras. It looked like my little brother. Stupid, right? That's not possible.
This is yucky. It's me, I'm the hazardous anomaly. I'm off now, have fun shooting guns. America's favorite pastime. Shooting guns. It's a stream that will. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh, hello. Oh, it's on the other side. Ah, there it is. You're my friend now. Come here. Wee. Ugh. I hate that I can't run while I'm using my telekinesis powers on this fucking thing. Right, get in there. Oh, bugger off, dude.
Toxic hazard detected. Exiting zero gravity. Entering zero gravity. Toxic hazard detected.
Where is it? Ah, there it is. I'm stupid. Okay.
Please, crop. Hydroponics. I need to record their names. Hidaka. Holly. Andanov. Mark. So many. I don't know how much gas they took in. I just saw them change. Crack when their lungs sound like flowers. Jacob.
Exiting zero gravity.
And I'm so scared because I know how to kill the Leviathan. So I have to stay until it's paid for every single one of them.
Oh, Jesus. Let me go. Let me go. Dickhead. Rude. Stomped.
Just a repair mission, they said. Not this. Not seeing my dead brother on the fucking cameras. All this death. Imagine what the marker could do in the wrong hands.
This is about CEC again.
Just thinking. If some corporate asshole tries to take the marker, you and me could do something about it.
You're leaning pretty hard on that if.
Oh, come on. Where's Hammond? What's he doing?
I don't know. If I don't focus, we'll run out of air before it matters.
Entering zero gravity.
Fuck off. Where is it hitting me from? There. Okay. Fucking bugger off, dude. Uh-oh. I died.
Entering zero gravity. Zero gravity. Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Fuck me, dude. I just got in here.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Okay. I just timed that absolutely horrifically. My bad. Can you not stream right now? I'm busy. Dude. Nice. No. Nope. No elevator right now. Need to do task.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Dude. Hey, bitch.
Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Stand clear of filtration tubes.
Wee. Oh, hey, shit. Hey, Josh. I'm playing Dead Space, Josh. You're welcome, crocodile. Yeah. My life. But do you see it though? I don't think you do. Oh, you're in college now. Congratulations. How's college life treating you, homie?
Cross, something's up.
It must have worked. You gave it enough enzyme to dissolve a freighter. Okay, I'm unlocking food storage. Quickly get back there and space the bastard while we have the chance.
Entering zero gravity.
Actually, wait. Running. A lot of our course students are expectedly fruity. Yeah. Our students are a little bit fruity, gay. Good for them. I mean, you're also fruity gay, so. Oh, shit. Need to go in the fucking lift. I am indeed fruity. Yes. Everyone who enjoys my content is a fruit somewhere deep down. So Shiny's asleep, Josh. They did the, oh, I'm just gonna lay down for a bit while I went to go piss girl, and they haven't been back since. I was like half an hour ago. Still have not come out to the parents yet that I'm planning on by knee, but we'll get there, you know. I haven't came out to my parents and I'm fine, so. You don't need to tell your parents anything, to be honest. Like, in regards to your sexuality. None of their fucking business, is it? None of their business until you get a partner, though, I guess. Ugh. No, the liquid. No, stop getting caught in the liquid. Can I go in here? Why you oh? What's up? No piercings now? Nice. What kind of piercings did you get? Lobes and helix. Nice. Classic. I like him. Good. I'm glad. I have an industrial in my right ear. My lobes pierced and a septum ring. I want more piercings, but like I constantly am like, oh, I want more piercings, but then I just never go get them because I'm lazy.
Damn it! The airlock's open, but the Leviathan's too strong. It's clinging to the interior of food storage. We need more enzyme.
There's no time. I'm going in. Maybe I can cut it loose.
The Leviathan has a 10-kiloton mass. Do you really need me to tell you this is a bad idea?
Well, I'm all out of good ideas, so guess what's left?
Whee!
Entering zero gravity.
God dang. Oh, ew, he's disgusting. He's ugly. Right, what am I doing here? Oh, I see. I understand now. I'm tempted to get lip piercings because I want to get those piercings. Ah, yeah, those are cool. Do I just have to keep shooting at him, or like, can I chuck shit at him?
Toxic hazard detected.
Knowing all its gas reserves. It must be close. Isaac, finish it off.
See Daisy. See if I can find them with a fig. Yeah. You do you, King. Uh-oh.
Toxic hazard clear.
I did it. Wowie.
And lo, you crushed the heads of Leviathan. He will be meat for those in the wilderness. Thank you, Isaac. Come back inside. We should talk.
Exiting zero gravity.
Have you been? Gucci. Aside from like the 2-month period of time where my dad was in the hospital. He's good now.
Listen, Jacob. My Jacob. Last I heard, he was on the mining deck with some other survivors. He said they were building an SOS beacon.
Oh my god.
Finish it?
He said it was nearly done, but I haven't heard from him in a while. I can't leave yet. I need to make sure the air is safe to breathe. But if you can find that SOS beacon, call for rescue.
I will. Mining deck. Okay, got it. And if I meet Jacob,
No!
Tell him I'll find
That's
him.
good. Yee.
He's all I want to see.
An SOS beacon. Someone jettisoned all the others. Isaac, there's a shortcut to the mining deck. Near Cross's workstation. I'll get it open. Goddamn. We might actually get out of this nightmare.
Alright.
Cannot determine clearance level. Master security override required.
I was tempted to check up on you Disco, but my brain was like, they may just be on break. Never mind. Yeah, nah, I was off because of my dad being in hospital for like the entirety of summer basically. Yeah. He's fine now, thank God. But he had 2 heart attacks. And he's 82.
The mining deck systems are running haywire. Great. Let me work on the elevators. Any idea where Temple's SOS beacon might be?
I'll check the mining control room. The launch tubes there could send out a beacon easy.
Anyone there?
Hammond? Where are you?
Where are you?
They don't hear me.
Yeah, those things are everywhere.
No, the unitologists. They're all here on the crew deck. They've lost it. One of them stabbed her friend in the head. He just stood there. He fucking smiled. They're going somewhere.
Hammond! Shit. Lost the signal again. We gotta find that beacon, Isaac. Fast.
Glad to see you alive though and kicking. Thanks. Yeah, I was under intense amounts of stress while my father was. Oh yeah, I got a diagnosis for my heart thing as well. I can't remember if I told. Well, I made general passing remarks on my heart shit. Yeah, I got a diagnosis for it. I have postural hypotension. Basically means when I stand up, my heart just is like, buddy, what are you doing? Stop that. Who the fuck is bothering me right now? So yeah. I mean, nothing much aside from that, to be honest. Yeah. Still need to find a psychiatrist to get diagnosed. We both just be fucking existing in this bitch. Yeah. That's fine. I'm fine. I am no longer falling apart from stress. You know? It's all good. I keep spending like all of my money on this because this is the only gun I use. Mom said I might be anemic because every time I stand up I get lightheaded. Yeah, that's what they suspected me of being, but then they done like multiple different blood tests. They did literally 4 different blood tests to see... K9. To see if I was anemic, and each time I was not, and I had to go like, hey, you keep fucking testing me for anemia and I'm not anemic. Everything keeps coming out fine.
Two of the mining
This is a big
systems
lift.
are locked down, even though all systems are running. I'm gonna figure this out.
And then I really got diagnosed with a heart condition. Woo! Let's fucking go. But yeah, it was very nice to constantly go to the doctor and then be like, you're really pale and you get lightheaded when you stand up. Anemia. Let's do blood tests. Every blood test comes back nothing. And they just keep testing? For some fucking reason? Hello? I don't like this. This isn't the best. Oh, hello. He said she's also anemic. Yeah, you probably got it from her. She is also anemic. Oh, there we go. Hazardous environment. Beware traps ahead. Humans stay out. Die. Those are traps. Oh, hello. That's not what I wanted. Fuck. That's also not what I wanted. That's what happened to me before when I had breakbone. What the fuck is breakbone fever? Stomp!
Security request retrieved.
Security, we got some freak called Harris stealing from ore storage.
Dr. Mercer sent me for osmium to complete his work.
Yeah, I don't care if God Almighty sent you. You skim from CEC's profit margin, we get screwed.
God?
So, you can put that osmium down, or I can break your arms first.
I worked with people like you on Aegis 7. They steal our knowledge, leading to things we don't like.
Get off me!
But when they abandon you in the dark, it's not empty. The marker whispered its revelations there. Now I understand them. Do you want to hear?
Warning. Untrained personnel may not use suit kiosk.
No, stop, please!
I said please when they shut me in. Screamed it too. I promise I won't laugh like they did.
Warning. Suit kiosk is obstructed. Serious injury may occur.
Oh, God! Help me!
He's fucking dead.
Incident report filed to Bridge by Dr. Nicole Brennan. See related rig activity.
Stop. Causes high fever, headache, body aches, nausea, and rash was worse since my immune system left me. Oh shit. Mosquitoes really are just little devil beasts, aren't they? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. Can I grab this and put this up? No. Shit. See, that's not what I wanted. Fuck. Bitch. We don't get mosquitoes in Scotland. Hospital for a week straight. Oof, that sucks, dude. I'm sorry. Oh, big yawn. Let me in. I got food poisoning. That 3 week period of time must have sucked so much balls, dude. Okay, well, I'm just gonna do the main story thing because everything else just seems to not want to be fucking working. Oh. He's friendly, so I can't hurt him. I'm sorry for my younger self. Yeah. It was a shitty thing. Oopsie. What the hell? Oh my god, I'm so tired. You found your fidget cube! Let's fucking go, Josh. Where was it? Where did you hide it? Now I bite the joystick like a chewed. Nice.
Launch tube sealed. Please contact Supervisor Dallas for authorization.
Finally getting somewhere with the mining duct systems. Got the SOS beacon?
No, the launch tubes are sealed.
Clearance
I
required.
need a deck administrator's rig to get them open.
The deck admin is Supervisor Dallas. He's on the
My
processing
box of
subdeck.
bionicle
I've got rig
parts.
activity for
Nice.
Jacob Temple 2, maintenance subdeck. Maybe he left the SOS beacon there. Just hope you can reach it through these malfunctions.
Not malfunctions.
Oh my lord.
Traps. The miner's way of holding the line.
Shit. Okay, I'll unlock the subdecks. Just make sure that beacon's not wired to anything.
Wired to these nuts. Okay, I'm sleepy. See if I could do any upgrades first though. I don't think I can do it. Out of nowhere I can just gain a biting stim. We love that. Sometimes you just need to know on something. My pens and foamy hat. Ugh. Sorry, that the foamy. I hate foam. Okay, chewing on your thumbnail very bad. You need to stop that. But legit, sorry. The concept of chewing on foamy thing. I hate the feeling of foam. Okay, I save. Cause I'm fucking sleepy. I'm fucking sleepy. I'm going to ending screen because I'm done for today. Oh my god, Ada! Ada is doing art. We're gonna bother Ada. I'm sleepy. Very abrupt ending, but I'm also it's insane in the membrane. You know what I mean? I'm hitting my nails to stop it. Good. Good plan. Hopefully it works. Go sleepy? No. No sleepy. Too late for me to nap. If I nap now, I'll fucking be a miserable little creature. Awa! I'm gonna go awa awa. Yeah, thanks for joining me again today. Very valid. Yes. I hope everyone has a good day. I hope Shiny's having a very good sleep. I am going to die now. Ara is doing art, by the way. Okay, bye.